Let's count with Baby Shark. Hello, my little artists. How are you today? Are you ready to dive into a world of colors? Let's get started. One day, Baby Shark was swimming happily in the ocean. He loved playing with his friends and exploring the deep blue sea. Oh, look! A shiny pink shell, Baby Shark said. That's one. As he swam further, he saw two little crabs dancing on the sand. Wow! Two crabs! Baby Shark laughed. One, two. Two crabs. Then Baby Shark found three colorful fish swimming in circles. Look at them go, he said. Can I play with you too? The fish happily said, yes, you can. The fish happily said, of course you can. Come and join us. Baby Shark said, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 fish. Baby Shark was so happy. He counted 1, 2, and 3 all by himself. Counting is fun. Let's count again, he giggled. And so, Baby Shark kept counting, swimming, and having fun in the ocean. Wow, kids! Baby Shark really loves counting. What about you? Do you like to learn how to count? That's wonderful! I can help you. Look at this picture. We have one baby shark. That's right, one. One means just one thing, like one baby shark. Let's say it together. One. Now let's draw number 1. Easy as pie. Now tell me, how many eyes are there? Yes, Baby Shark. How many eyes does Baby Shark have? 1, 2. Excellent. Baby Shark has got 2 big eyes. Two means double, like 2 eyes. 1, 2. Let's say it together. 2. Kids, I want you to look at Baby Shark. On his body, there are 3 lines. That's right, 3 lines. Here, we're going to learn how to draw number 3. That's so wonderful. 3 means a group of 3 things, like 3 little fish. Let's say it together. 3. Now let's color the eyes black and make our lines darker. It's coloring time! Wow, I'm so excited for this part! Are your crayons and markers ready? Let's go! First, take your yellow color and start coloring the baby shark. Yes, the yellow color. Amazing job! Now, let's color our number 1. Can you find number 1? Let's color our number 1 pink. Good job, my friends. Keep going. Kids, do you remember how many eyes did Baby Shark have? Yes, 2 eyes. Now let's color our number 2. Let's use our creativity and color it fun. Like I'm using my green and red color. 2 colors for number 2. Now for number 3, we're going to use 3 colors. First, it's going to be orange. Then, yellow. And last one is going to be pink. Wow, our numbers look super fun. Our baby shark is having a wonderful time because he's learning. We are all learning here. Now it's time to pop some bubbles. Take your blue color and start drawing the bubbles, big and small. Baby shark is living under the ocean, so of course we need some bubbles. Also, we can use our green color and draw some seaweeds and underwater plants. Excellent job, my friends! We did it! See you next time for another underwater adventure. Bye-bye!